How to book a ride for someone else using Grab. First of all, open the Grab app and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, tap on the transport service just like you normally would when booking a ride. Next, you'll see a field that says Where to. Tap on it and enter the drop-off location of the person you are booking for. After that, you will also see an option to add a stop. Tap on that if your friend or family member is getting picked up from a different location or needs a second destination. If you need only one stop, tap on Done. If not, you can add another one. Then tap on Choose this pickup to confirm the route. Now, enter the pickup location carefully. Finally, choose the ride type like GrabCar or Standard and tap Book. Also check if your payment method is set correctly. And that's it. Now you know how to write a book for someone else using Grab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.